I'm Ellie Frost and I'm studying electronic engineering at Bangor University. So I wanted to become an engineer mainly because my mum and my dad, they've always been very interested in that, and it's sort of always been in my life. It was just so interesting and I just couldn't help myself really. My favourite aspect of the course is probably the labs. You get to put in practice what you've learnt in lectures, and yeah, it's really interesting to see what goes right and what goes wrong. Growing up I didn't have a lot of female influences in STEM apart from my mum, but I had a very supportive network from my teacher. He could see that I was going to be good at it, and he was very, very supportive. This summer I was nominated by the head of the school for a Women in Engineering STEMship by Santander, and I actually got it. So we met a lot of leading women in engineering. So we met the Vice President of Aston Martin. It was really nice to go into this community, and it was all girls. And I've got quite a lot of contacts from that now. One of the prizes for winning the scholarship is we get to go on a trip. They're thinking they're taking us to America, and they might take us around NASA or Tesla. And then you of course get support basically, and the network I think is one of the most vital things. The trip's nice, but... After I graduate, I'd quite like to go into sustainable energy, maybe solar panels or wind farms, whichever. I think it's just a really interesting topic. I would say if you've got any sort of interest or curiosity in a STEM subject, just go for it, because that's all it takes, is just that little spark of curiosity, and then you've got so much to gain from that.